1 Apex Racing. Um, I got more cards. I've played this game very much before, but there have recently a new track added. So it's Monza. So let's try it. We're gonna put softs on and let's go zoom. We're going out of the track. I can't wait for this. I'm gonna test it my first time. I'm gonna zoom. I think I know the track. I don't know. But here we go. And guys, please sub because we need subscribers for Saturday's live. Okay, third one was kind of bad, but anyways, Saturday you need to join my live. Me and my friend is gonna play on his PlayStation. Anything you can think of. We're gonna do all the entertainment stuff you can do. You can watch along with us. It's just we need more subscribers to reach our first platinum subscribe. That shiny thing is, I can't remember what's its name. Oh, that's a Ferrari, I think. Okay, we have DRS. I like Monza. It's a unique track. Speed of Temple. And I can understand why they talk about that. Oh, guys, we're doing a second lap. What happened there? I didn't know what happened there. That was freaking crazy. I don't know what happened there. The is gonna be available now. 15k. Okay. Break. we couldn't break. So yeah. If you want, guys, you can friend me and join me in my live. My name is M4 second, M4 second, and or it's OP 81. You can add that to that list. But I can't wait to do my live because me and my friend is gonna have fun. Control. Okay, we had the crash. Don't know what happened there. Guys, I'm gonna show you my other cars that I have. I have the 2016 cars and the 1998 cars. I have many cars, okay? So let me just put you to the pits so I can show you how much cars I have. I have a bunch of cars. Okay, why does that always freaking happen in turn 5? Why is the car going so slow? Guys, let's play league so I can get teams on the 24 and 25 cars. I can't wait to do my live, guys. I'm gonna be so excited. What happened there? Control it. We're sponging out. Okay, let's go to the garage. Let me go to the garage. Okay, guys, it looks me we need to crash. But I can't click the garage button. Okay, let's just... Yeah. Why is the wheel not coming off? Because if we crash, you can get like a sticker or something here that... Wait. Do you remember when Sebastian Vettel's brakes didn't work in 2017? He just went straight through that stuff. Okay, here we go. There you go. Okay, garage. Okay, guys, let me show you. I have many cars like this. Let me show you. So this cars I have, the 24th and the 25th cars, the 1989 car. Look at this thing, it's incredible. I bought this my own money, and the other car was a Game Pass car. Look at this beast, and this is a Game Pass car. It has all the liveries. Let's test it in Monza. Okay, here we are in Monza with a 2016 car. First time, let's see. Hey, this car is sleek. This is my favorite car, bro. Here we go on the track.